Yeah, I'm down for whatever. All this hay in here.
Yes. Good morning.
How'd you sleep?
Feeling pretty good, actually.
Surprisingly, we only had to pump the bilge once.
Yeah.
So we went to bed at
I went to bed at like midnight.
midnight.
Once right then, and then once at 3 a.m.
But overall, it was much better. Brainstorm came through, rained pretty good. But I would say the serenity of sleeping on this plane was better than expected, and your cushion setup is quite nice.
When it rains, though, it does find a way in. It's not exactly waterproof.
Yeah, that is true. But overall, I think sleeping on one of these is, I would do this again. Maybe I'll remember a sleeping bag next time.
No, see, like that. I decided to put my wallet right where there's a leaky spot, apparently.
Totally dripped right off.
Right on it. The handle's locked.
Is it?
It is. Behind you. There's a red one against the wall behind that blister right there.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
You pull that out, but that'll open.
Alright, what's on tap for you now?
Well, I'm making some coffee and then maybe some eggs and smokies or pancakes or something like that. Probably don't need a full pot of coffee, do we? For two people, I think.
Kind of like how much dessert you made last night. It was like half a gallon of apple.
It's probably a full gallon
Full gallon
of apple, whatever we made.
I tried having second servings, and I was like, this is actually much better than I expected. But
That's pretty good.
I'm gonna make myself sick.
Oh yeah. Well, we can have it for breakfast.
Even better.
We'll take it ashore and serve it to people.
People are like, what is this? You guys want some dessert cooked on a PBY? It's a signature item by Soaring by the Seas.
We got Cafe Bustelo.
Oh yeah.
I think that this is so fine of a grind that it's all gonna escape that.
Yeah, I mean, we'll just have a little.
Let it settle.
A little gritty.
Pour it off the top.
Yeah.
Yeah, it'll be fine.
I like a little challenge.
You know, a smart man would use a spoon.
Do you have one?
Well, I have them from the Apple stuff. It's gonna be around here.
If you'll notice, the PBY's always going wherever the current or the wind is going. So, like right now, we're moving back to an east position. So it never sits in just one spot. It's always moving, which might seem weird at first, but that mixed with the rain and how quiet it is out here is like a recipe for instantaneous falling asleep. I think the only weird part to me is that this doesn't move more in the water, like rocking motion. You know, the common mistake I always would make walking through on the PBY is smacking my head on the front doorway right past the flight engineer. So you know, have that overhang. through the doorway, it always smacked my forehead. Like, I did it 3 times on this flight.
Oh yeah, it gets you. Look at that.
Is it just coming out?
I might have something else.
Hey, it still would.
There's gonna be nothing left in there once we. I thought I had. Put that. Need a way to light that.
Hey, at least the boat stayed.
Yeah, we have a way off of this wreck. No reason to waste the heat.
Is that theoretically a percolator?
Yeah.
So they'll start bubbling on top?
Yeah. I think now that it's not a fireball,
Yeah.
I'm not so worried about the plexiglass. Or just carbon monoxide poisoning.
Cheers, man. I'd say this was successful.
Cheers. Then we have to go for second breakfast.
Yeah. I'm always game. Okay, so there's no dishwasher on these, and no, we're not using paper plates. We have regular plates. So we gotta do it the old school way. This is our dishwasher with a view. Coy, you got a sponge?
Yes.
That would be awesome, actually. So I can... anything will work.
Alright, so if we said again why we camped out on the PBY, it wasn't just for fun, it's a necessity because, as explained earlier, these take on water. Just from simply sitting in the water, rivets, everything leaks. So these bilge pumps pump out the water, and you have to do it every few hours. This left one's really flowing, isn't it? There must be a yeah, I'm down for whatever. I'll just hang here.
Yes. We're gonna get ready to go, so it needs to be quick. I'm gonna take a trip back, and then we're gonna start rounding people up.
Alright, so if this dang beaver didn't disturb our fish, we might actually catch something.
It's making too much noise.
It's making too much noise, so we're just trying to. We got a little smoky from this morning's breakfast on the old line, and we're just on the wings of the lovely PBYs. So
our dinner is counting on us.
we're just gonna sit and wait.
Did you catch something? Oh, you got something. Look at that. Oh, there's a fish. Whoa.
Now what are you going to do?
Very nice meeting you.
Pleasure. You're not leaving yet, you know that. Because there's no boat.
Oh, your boat's fun.
He's right there.
Oh, look at you.
I just found fire up, so I thought that was
So you didn't know.